Hey guys! Today I'm sharing a nourishing recipe that works for both your body and your hair. It's a delicious, nutrient-packed banana avocado pudding that doubles as a hydrating hair mask. So to make this edible hair mask, in a blender, you'll just add 2 ripe bananas, 1 avocado, a spoonful of raw honey, a sprinkle of cardamom, 1 optional tablespoon of rose nectar, and some ice. Now simply blend everything together until it's smooth and creamy, and the result is this delicious pudding that also doubles as a hair mask. So now I can have a little pre-hair pampering snack. I'm gonna garnish my pudding with some organic rose powder and some crushed pistachios for a bit of texture. And this is so yummy, I could eat it every single day. It's creamy, delicious, and packed with nutrients that nourish you from the inside out. Now I'll brush my hair out because nobody wants to apply a mask to tangled hair. Now I'm taking the rest of the pudding and applying it to my hair as a deep conditioning mask. The bananas and avocados are amazing for hydration and shine. Cardamom benefits your scalp health because it's antimicrobial and antifungal, and it also improves circulation. Rose nectar is hydrating and also great for the scalp, and the honey helps lock in moisture. So I just work it through my hair from the roots to the ends, making sure every strand is coated. And then I'll leave this on for at least 30 minutes before rinsing it out. Then, since it's a bit messy, I cover it with a plastic shower cap and layer a heat cap on top of that. This one is just filled with flax, and the warmth helps the conditioning mask penetrate even deeper into the hair shaft, making the treatment even more effective. And while my hair soaks up all that goodness, I'm going to enjoy the rest of the hair mask as a nourishing snack. And once that mask has been in my hair for at least 30 minutes, I'll hop in the shower and shampoo and condition. And that's it, guys. Your hair will be left soft, shiny, and hydrated. I hope you guys give this mask a try. You can follow me on Instagram. I've been posting new hair art there. And check out my website, holistichabbits.com, where you can check out my blog and shop my favorites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!